What's up, YouTube? Just kidding. Hey guys, it's Kayla Madison. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not new, welcome back. Today is New Year's Eve. I got my retainers in, so if I got a little bit of a lisp, sorry. Wednesday, December 31st is 11:01, and right now we are at the beach. We've been at the beach for almost a week. We leave on Friday. We got here on Friday last week, so I was recording when I got here and all that good stuff, but it was kind of like chill, so I didn't really do much. So I just deleted all that footage, and I'm going to record today and tomorrow because that's the days we're doing the most stuff. But I'm going to give y'all a tour of the room in a second. As y'all know, we've been here for a while, so it's not going to look clean and pristine. But hold on, I'm going to give y'all a tour. I got my socks on. I'm about to go get breakfast at Johnny D's. Ugh. Oh, empty. And I just got on something really slight, honestly. This is the door. My room is right here. Okay. What I don't like about my room is why in the world is there a window? Oh, y'all see that? Like, why is there a window to the freaking hallway? This is what I got on. Nothing major. This is my bathroom. Bathroom. Okay, cool. We come out of my room. Another bathroom. And then this is my sister's room. She got a balcony too. This is my mom's room. This is the kitchen. The living room area is my auntie's room. And this is the balcony. Let's open it. Let's see how it feels. Oh, it's locked. Okay. Okay, it's not that bad out here. These past couple of days, it's been cold and windy. But it feels good. It feels decent outside. Down there is where it's a pool down there. And right there is the indoor area. And there's another pool. There's stuff on that side. Y'all see that? It feels pretty good outside. But it don't even feel bad. And the boardwalk is down there. I don't know if y'all can see that the Ferris wheel down there. But yeah, guys, a little like mini apartment tour. But yeah, I'm about to go get my purse, and we're about to go. This is where we're staying. It's called the Caribbean. No. Yeah, this is how it looks. Very cutesy. It's cold when the sun is not out. Like when we're in the shade, it's cold, but in the sun, it's not bad. We gotta cross the street. We're here, y'all. I wanted to show y'all our big Tonka truck. And in fact, I have a personal vendetta against Chrysler vans because one almost ran me off the road. So great. And it was black. So great. I love that first.
Good morning, ladies. How are you guys today? Is it 4? Okay, perfect.
My food is here. Yummy, yummy. Everybody's food is here. It's kind of good. I'm glad they're actually with cheese because we've been asking for cheese and they get no cheese on our eggs. Dip it in the syrup.
You guys okay?
Okay, we just ate our food and the food was very delish. I gave it a cool 9 out of 10. I didn't finish on my pancakes, but that's okay. I'm full. Big Mama is full. Woo, it's cold. Let me in. We had to stop by, I almost said Food Line. We had to stop by Walmart to get like some I needed some more socks and like gloves and stuff because we're gonna be outside tonight. And I just was looking, and they got the cutest. This is like Steve Madden's like sister brand kind of sort of. The cutest little purses. Madden NYC. This is giving me city bag a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like this is cute. This one's cute too. It is cute. You don't think it's cute? Oh, this is a tea bag. A little charm on it. That's cute. It come with a little whatever it's supposed to be. That's cute. But I got me some socks. They're right there. And I need to find me a little hoodie. Because this is the thickest jacket I brought with me. I don't know why I didn't bring my coat. I wasn't thinking it was gonna be this cold. I'm not gonna lie. And everybody just left me here. Okay. Rude. Well, I'm gonna look for a hoodie because that's what I need to get, a hoodie. Preferably probably a men's hoodie. Gonna whip this thing. I'm finna whip this hoe. Okay. Let's look for a hoodie. Can we talk about how nothing is thick quality material no more? Like, I understand I'm in Walmart, but baby, this is Hanes, and it's thin as heck. Try not to curse, but it's thin, baby. It's so thin. It's like, bro, how is it fleece if it's this thin? Let's look at the fabric and see if it's really, like, nothing is cotton no more, bro. That's really sick. Like, genuinely, it's so sick. Bro, this is like the thinnest material I've ever felt in my life. It's like, I don't even want it. I don't even want it. But I was gonna wear this and then put this jacket on top. Cause baby, my Nike jacket is thicker than this dang hoodie. But anyway, it's like $12. It's basically $13. So I'm just gonna get this one. Alright, y'all, we back in the room. 1:26, and we're going to get some seafood boils later on today. And then go see the fireworks for New Year's. So I'll probably pick up the camera. Did y'all hear that? I'll probably pick up the camera when we're actually about to go eat, because this is the best seafood I've had in Myrtle Beach. Really the best seafood I had ever. This seafood bowl, I'm gonna show y'all. Delish, like the best I've ever had. So yeah, we're just gonna chill. We were thinking about walking on the beach, but it's a little cold outside, so probably won't do that. Beach access. Okay. Like me in the dungeon. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just got the outside room. Oh yeah, this is the downstairs area I was telling y'all about earlier. Also, y'all, my lace lifting right here. Just ignore that, okay? There was no judging, nothing. Burr.
If the wind would stop blowing,
that's what I was saying. Like, if just the wind to stop.
Please. Oh, is that a ship way out there?
Oh, maybe it is a ship down there. Y'all probably can't see that. That pool. I mean, that house has an infinity pool. That is so cutesy.
Wait, where is the infinity pool?
Right there on the edge. Okay, we're wrapping up our trip, and this is the hardest part. But our room is somewhere on this side. So yeah, our view is basically like this. Yeah, we're about to head inside. Oh, the sun is beaming. All right, guys, we're leaving. Hi, guys. We're about to leave. What time is it? 5:36. We're about to go eat some crab. Go check out the best seafood place I've ever ate. So delicious.
We used to have one in Durham, but they closed years and years and years ago.
I need to put one back in Durham.
I never did eat that.
Okay, y'all, we're in the area. I think we're by the boardwalk, I believe. Look at these rides. It looks so fun. But yeah, the crab shack is over here somewhere. We're about to walk over to. It's kind of, the parking lot is packed. So the fireworks are by the Ferris wheel?
I'm not exactly sure where they're gonna be at.
Oh. Okay, we're here. Joe's Crab Shack. Can you see that? Yeah, the best seafood I've ever ate, for real, for real. Yeah, cause need that. Thank you. Yeah, can y'all tell I'm really excited? Oh, it's kind of good thing we have a reservation. So we just sat down. Stop laughing. Yes, you already know what I'm about to do. Let me show you. Chinese board. I'm going to get the Snow Classic with Raging Cajun and lime. But yeah, the table is kind of small, so I'm trying to figure out how my seafood will work. Okay, y'all, here's my delicious food. About to bust down. And then I like how they be writing little stuff on the what you call it, fish chicken ain't easy. The last one I had got said queen crab, cause yeah. But I'm gonna try to record y'all because y'all know it's gonna get messy.
The whole yard.
He took my food before I can show y'all what the damage was, but it was pretty good. I'm about to take this off though. Feeling very festive. Don't know how long this is gonna stay on. He's turning this way. And it's definitely serving me tempered outside. Jesus. No. And this is where we're going tomorrow, the upside down house. It's really cute. Oh, that swing looks a little too hard. She's on there by herself, literally. I wonder how much the tickets are. Burr. Oh, y'all, look at those fishes. Remember, we used to feed these when we used to come. They got the fish food in a what you would call it now? They've renovated.
$5.
Yep.
$5.
And then there's upside down house. Like the attention to detail is so cool. Like who designed this building? Wow, that is amazing. I can't wait to come back. Oh, I love it. Like I'm hearing fireworks or something.
Like, what is that?
Like, oh my gosh, what's that about? Y'all, my nose is literally so red. I look like Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. And the boat rides be out here too. Oh, it's the duckies. Yeah, we all got on the boat ride.
I didn't get them.
Oh wow, that's a lot of fish.
Oh, that's the aquarium.
Oh, we didn't go there.
Yeah. Had the penguins and
Yeah.
stuff. It was. I enjoyed it.
Okay, I ended up getting some fish food, y'all. We finna see. Somebody open this, please. Okay, yeah, sure. You can have some.
Thanks.
Can I have some?
It's like dog food.
This probably is dog food. All right, let's see. Are they coming? Oh, look, the bird. I met the duckies.
It's gonna fish. Look. Right into that fish.
OMG.
Dang, Taylor.
Sorry.
You did the whole thing.
I didn't mean to. Ew, it stank. It really just smell like dog food. Ew, I can feel the water. Wow, that is a lot of fish. Wow. They're big. They are greedy. That is the greedy talk about in the Bible. That is pure greediness. Yeah. Oh, for real. They finally started, y'all. I'm so cold. It don't make no sense. Okay, y'all, we made it back in the room. It is currently 8:48. I look crazy because I'm cold. Hands is still cold. Got this thing on my head. Take that off. But yeah, I'm about to go and use the bathroom, and I'll come back to y'all when we're about to do the little New Year's thing. We're gonna go on the balcony and just blow the little horn whistle thing. Y'all know what I'm talking about, I think. But yeah, I'll see y'all later, y'all. I'm cold. It's 11:59, and you know what's so crazy? I was in a whole different setting last New Year's last year. It's really crazy. It's way different than what I envisioned my 2025, my end of 2025 to be. So let's just say that. What was I about to say? Are we gonna blow our whistles? It's 12 o'clock! Oh, they're late, boo. It's 12 o'clock.
Oh, yep.
Yay!
Happy New Year's.
There's people out. There's people on the beach, y'all. Still. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Ooh, they doing fireworks on the beach.
oh.
I ain't going all the way outside though. But I don't know if I can see them people. Oh, okay. Oh my god, that whole, you can hear the whole strip.
What is going on here?
It's all, it's like I'm in Gotham City. It's like I am in Gotham City right now. Huh?
Can it get on the sand?
No, it's not gonna catch on fire. Yay! You can hear everybody cheering. Oh, there's fireworks down there. Bro, that's really scary. There's a lot of people out here. I'm overstimulated. Let me not drop my camera, okay? Let's hold that. There's people down there. Who's staying here?
What?
We're not even outside. They sound like something died. No, I'm crying. Good morning, people. It's the next day. It's 12:05. We're about to go eat brunch. It's not breakfast no more. It's 12 o'clock. And we're going, I forgot the name of the place, but everybody seems to really like this breakfast place. I'm going to get something different because we went earlier in the week, but I'm going to get something else from what I got last time because, yeah. Are you going to get the same thing?
I don't think so.
But yeah, I'm just really excited because we're going to the Upside Down house. I keep talking about it. I said it like 5 million times yesterday, but I'm really excited to go because I never went. Literally, as a kid, I wanted to go, and I'm finally going at 22.
Congratulations.
Yes. Well, this is my outfit I'm wearing. I'm feeling Halloween-y today. Ignore my room. Don't talk about it. I got on this. Let me bring this down. Yeah, black and orange. It's cute though. I like it. A little wabi-sabi. But yeah, I'll see you. Ooh. Okay. My Crocs trying to take me out. I'll see y'all when we're at the breakfast place. Right here, this is the name of the place. Everybody forgot the name. We just keep calling it the greenhouse.
We didn't forget it. We just didn't know what it was.
No, I kept calling it the greenhouse. I didn't know the name of the restaurant. Okay, I'm gonna get the chicken, this omelet right here with some grits and cheese and some toast. I'm waiting for my toast to come out. But it's a lot of music going on in here, so I'm gonna eat my food and show you how it tastes, and then I'm gonna come back with it. So this is the damage. Nothing too serious. I give it like a 7.5 out of 10. Not bad, but not like delicious. My mom had a bacon waffle. I'll rate it like a 8 out of 10. Oh, okay. If only. Sometimes I miss eating bacon, but we're not gonna fold. We're back where we were last time, and it feels a lot better outside. Way better. But we're almost there, I think. You can actually see everything now. I can't believe nobody noticed that man had proposed. He's got my chicken, but look at the inside.
You are prone to dizziness or nausea, or have a wheelchair or stroller. Please use the bypass door ahead. Caution. But
Why are you scared? It's not that serious, just walk.
Inversion tunnel ahead.
What the
Please walk. Okay, it is getting a little crazy. Oh, wait, actually. Wait! Oh my god, we're moving! Are we moving? We're moving! Yes, we are! We are moving! Yes, we are! She went on, bro! We were moving, right? I'm confused. I'm overstimulated. Can y'all see me? We were moving, right? That it was tilting, right? Okay, I have to make sure. No, that bottom was moving because I was leaning to the side. We were leaning.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Okay, let me figure out what we're looking at. The hurricane stack. I'm overstimulated.
Since 2001, costs and repairs from hurricane destruction in the United States have exceeded $157 billion. A Category 1 hurricane contains winds of 74 to 95 miles per hour, strong enough to knock over a tractor trailer. A Category 5 hurricane contains wind speeds of 155 miles per hour and greater. Imagine being caught in the winds greater than the ones you are about to experience right now.
Y'all, why was I in S&Q? I hate This is a disclaimer that this next clip is about to be extremely loud, okay? Please turn down your TV, your phone, your headphones. Please turn it down. Y'all, we got on this ride not expecting it to be this scary looking. Me and my mama and my sister was gonna get on it. My sister backed out at the last minute, so it was just me and my mama on this ride. And y'all, this ride is really like scary. I ain't gonna lie to you. At first it's scary, but at the end it's kind of fun. So my mama is literally screaming at the top of her lungs because she don't ride rides. She don't ride no roller coasters. She don't do rides. So this was very bold of her to get on this ride. So that's why she was screaming like she was getting inward. So please cut down your devices. I'm sorry. My camera died. But y'all just seen me get a little astronaut thing. It's more up here. They got more rides up here, y'all.
I want to do this.
Are you closed in it?
Yes.
What's this about?
What is it? Close in it?
It's a bubble thing. What's this one? Oh, it's like the virtual reality, what you call it. We need to do that one too. We need to do this one too. So we're about to get on this one next. I probably can't record in here, but the little 3D experience was fun.
Have you went on this?
It's cooler up here. They're about to get on. We can't get on it with them because we had to go to the bathroom. So we're next though. Yeah, they about to go on the drop. Yeah. Yeah, I can't. They gonna have to pour me. Bro, look at my mom. Almost. But I didn't record a little bit. They got filters and stuff. Oh.
wow.
I don't know what that is. This is you on Snapchat. Oh God, I don't like that. So we came upstairs and this is how they have it. It's like the space area. I believe. They got the little obstacle course thing. I might get on that. That kind of sounds fun. Y'all, didn't my girl Holly have one of these in Stranger Things? If you know, you know. Ooh, this is cool. I like that. Oh, it says Wonder Break. This kind of reminds me of the sorry, the Museum of Life and Science. If y'all been in Raleigh. Ow, that hurt. Ow, my finger got in between the, what you call it? Totally too good. Oh my god, we used to do this in music class in elementary school. I don't know. Anyway. Alright, y'all. Obviously, I have to vlog on my phone now because my camera is dead. Yay. But we are at Abuelo's. If y'all can see. We're at Abuelo's and we're about to eat some good Hispanic food. And yeah, I give the Wonderworks Upside Down House a 10 out of 10. It was just so much fun. It was genuinely so much fun. Like, I had so much fun, bro. Oh, this is so pretty. It smells good. This green salsa is bust down.
I'm not getting taco.
That's so good. They come and get pescado, grilled fish, with Australian sea bass, and I don't know what sauce I'm gonna get. Maybe the Guerrero. Not sure. My drink is here.
That's alright.
Hold on. Good. Everything's been really good. This is how my food is looking. I'm gonna tell y'all how it tastes. How do you think? Yeah, I do need some salt. Bear. Hey y'all, so I'm back at the room, almost at home. I'm back at the room and I just packed up all my clothes over there because baby, I'm ready to go. We've been here for a week. That is a long time. So yeah, I'm ready to go. The food that I had was really, really good. I didn't show y'all when I left, but yeah, so I'm basically gonna see y'all in the morning when we're about to leave or whatever. It's currently 6:51, so I'm really about to just chill, watch TV. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the morning. Hey y'all, I'm back. I did not record an outro, but basically I woke up in the morning and we drove from South Carolina back to North Carolina. That's really all we did, but I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope it was entertaining because I had fun editing it, okay? And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thank y'all for 300 subscribers. Like, we're almost at 100,000. We're basically like at 100,000 subscribers right now. So thank y'all so much.